You do a good one.
What year is the frame?
1959.
59, huh? You doing all the work by yourself?
Yeah.
Nice. So what else do you have done?
We stripped the frame down
Uh-huh.
to the bare frame, had it sandblasted and powder coated black,
Wow.
and everything is getting assembled with new parts. Engines were built 4 years ago.
New brake lines, huh?
New brake lines, stainless steel brake lines. New brake shoes, wheel cylinders. The shell is at Lance Hasselrig's Auto Restoration in West Los Angeles.
Oh, wow.
And it's leaving tomorrow morning. Or afternoon.
You do complete restoration? Complete automotive?
It's a complete restoration.